In this walkthrough, we're going to show you how fast and easy it is to launch a mobile-only awareness campaign using our brand new guided setup option. This is perfect for when you want maximum reach and need a little assistance getting started. Let's dive right in. First, we'll click the New Campaign button. On the left, you'll see the guided setup option. This flow is specifically designed for users who are new to our Ads Manager platform. Remember, this is currently for mobile-only campaigns. If you are looking to run a campaign on a channel other than mobile or need a more advanced or custom setup, you'll want to use the manual option. For this demo, we're choosing awareness. The awareness objective simply means our goal is to get your ad in front of as many people as possible, prioritizing broad reach. Your first step is to tell us where you want your ads to appear. You have a ton of flexibility here. You can target a DMA, city, county, zip code, a specific address, or even a lat-long coordinate. For both address and lat-long, you'll need to specify a radius around that point. To start, I'm going to target the New York DMA. If you have a large list of addresses or coordinates, save yourself some time and use our bulk upload feature here. Next, let's decide who you want to reach. You'll select the audience segments here. For my campaigns, I want to reach pet owners, so I will select both Pet Service Center visitors and pet supply food and food shoppers. Notice over on the right, the system is already recommending additional audiences, often chosen together. This is a great way to increase your campaign's reach. Since my selected audiences already have a strong estimated reach, I'll stick with my current selection for this example. Now we'll set up the campaign budget and dates. In the guided setup, your only budget option is daily budget. I'll enter $25 here. This means that the campaign will average $25 a day with a maximum weekly spend of $175. While the daily spend might flex as our system optimizes for performance, your weekly spend remains capped. Next, we choose the campaign start dates. By default, the campaign will run continuously until you manually pause it. If you want to set a specific end date, you can do so by checking the Set an End Date box and set the end date. Time to add your creatives, you can upload an image, video, script tag, or if you don't have a creative, you can quickly build a simple mobile banner using the text banner option. I'm going to choose the image option and upload the two recommended mobile sizes, 320 by 50 and 300 by 250. For each ad, I'll enter the website URL where users will land after clicking the ad. There. Let's click Continue. Finally, let's give the campaign a descriptive name so it's easy to find later. You have two options. You can either click Start Campaign to launch it immediately or click Save for later if you're not quite ready. I'll hit Start Campaign. As you can see, the campaign is now active. Please note that you should allow 1 to 2 hours for full activation. Also, be aware that most performance metrics, except for spend and total spend, will display with a 24-hour delay. Now let's take a look under the hood. I'm going to click on the campaign and click the eye icon to open the campaign. you'll see that the system automatically builds two separate ad groups, one for location and one for audience targeting. This is a feature of the guided setup flow with the awareness objective. Based on thousands of campaigns on our platform, this split delivers the best results. The geo-targeting ad group receives 60% of the daily budget, and the audience ad group receives the remaining 40%. If you need to make any changes, you can click on the ad group and click on the eye icon to open it, or click the pencil icon for quick edits such as the name, the start and end date, or the maximum bid price. And that's it. That's how quickly you can launch a powerful, optimized awareness campaign in minutes.
Interested in learning more? Check help.groundtruth.com.